This tutorial will explain how to manage a cow farm in Marketglory. The same principles can be applied to any company you own. Invest at least 2 gold in company and then exchange 1 gold into your local currency. After that, activate a workplace from the Workplaces submenu and then set the salary. When a user works for your company, you will have products on the stock. When you have products on stock, set the price and the quantity for sale. You can find your products in local market and global, depending where you sell them. Raw materials, food, raw milk. This product can only be bought by milk factories and cheese production. Visit www.marketglory.com and become a company manager.